Britta back in. Very important day ahead of us.
Yes, Laura now is in the Gulf, so we're going to get a lot more information today as the hurricane hunters are going to be flying the system a lot. It's looking a lot more organized this morning than computer models were showing it to be coming off of Cuba, so that's definitely a concern. We'll get to that full forecast in just a minute, but I do want to get you out the door. It's a quiet start if you're just starting your day. Upper 70s, low 80s, and today's going to be a typical summer day, so warm and muggy start, a hot and humid afternoon. We do have a chance of rain. Afternoon thunderstorms are possible with your rain chance about 20 to 30%. Today is your day to make sure that your preparations are done. We could still see changes to that track. In fact, there have been changes overnight, and you need to be ready to put those preparations into action, and the timeline is short. Right now, the winds are sustained at 65 miles per hour with Laura. We're anticipating it to strengthen to a Category 1 hurricane by this afternoon. It stays as a Cat 1 today, getting into central portions of the Gulf later tonight, and then by tomorrow afternoon, we're up to a Cat 2. Here's where the changes are in the latest advisory from 4 a.m. And by the way, we're going to get an intermediate advisory coming up as we head into the Today Show. So make sure that you follow our Facebook page. Justin Stapleton and I will do a Facebook Live when we have that new information. But this is what we saw with the shift overnight. We're now talking about a major Category 3 hurricane. So the intensity has increased with winds up to 115 miles per hour. And there's been just a slight wiggle out to the west. And we're seeing that wiggle with our computer models as well. The cone still includes Galveston Bay, which means we could still have a direct hit, but we could also have landfall happen in southwest Louisiana. Even if we see landfall in southwest Louisiana, we are going to feel some big impacts here in the metro area just because this is a very far-reaching storm. Again, the impacts are always far-reaching outside of that cone. Here's a look at those computer models, again showing that slight wiggle to the west. I can't say this enough. We could still see a direct impact even in Bolivar, possibly even Galveston Bay. So why are we not going to see Laura fall apart like what we saw with Marco? Well, it's all about wind shear and the fact that it's going to go away. Right now, our surface winds coming in from the northeast because of what's left over of Marco. At the upper levels, we have our winds coming in from the south. Look at what happens as we go into tomorrow. They start to become aligned and the wind shear is gone. There's nothing to stop Laura, and in fact, we're expecting its peak intensity to be at landfall. It's going to grow all the way up to landfall. The steering, that's the big question, and that's what we're hoping to get more clarity on today. We have this ridge of high pressure. If it's weaker, that means that Laura would make that landfall into Louisiana. If it's stronger and pushes more to the west, which is what a lot of our computer models are showing, that means that that landfall could be closer to us. So again, we are still in play, and even if we have landfall to our east, we are still going to feel impacts here, and those impacts will start as early as tomorrow morning with those outer rain bands. Let's get you over to meteorologist Justin Stapleton. He has a little more information on the watches and warnings, but Justin, they changed overnight as well.
Yeah, they did. In fact, we saw the tropical storm watches push inland, not only just inland from the bay where you might think, okay, well, it's going to be around the water. Look at this. We've got extending basically from Brazoria up towards Trinity County. So this is what Britta was just mentioning, is that even though the storm, and let's say that it does happen to stay just east of us there over towards Sabine Pass, which is where the current track is, it's strong enough. We're going to feel these effects. In fact, that hurricane watch extends inland to southeast Harris County, southern Liberty County, and then parts of Galveston County as well. So there is going to be a good chunk of the area that is going to get walloped pretty good. Here's the other thing that we want to note as well. We're starting to see some really good agreement in the models. Notice the American and the European model both making landfall early Thursday morning. And the question is going to be, and it's just a matter of maybe 25 to 50 miles could make a huge difference for folks. But either way, a good chunk of the area needs to make sure that we are ready, because we're going to start seeing some impacts likely within about 24 to 36 hours. I've got a lot more on a storm surge potential, which I'll talk about coming up here in just a bit. Right now, let's get over to Anavid for a check of our traffic.
We've got a lot of prepping.